All right, so we use these numbers once again over and over. Because I have doing the confidence intervals and I want my confidence intervals to be positive, what I did, first thing I did is I found out what the ratios are. So the first guy is 68%. And the second one is 0.59. So I'm going to put the X ones down first. Okay, so what do I get? I'm going to do 368 divided by 541 minus 351 divided by 593 plus and minus. All right, so I have 92%. So I have 92%. My alpha is 0.08. Which means that's going to be 4 on each side. So I'm going to do 0.04, and I get 1.75, 1.75, okay? So now I'm going to do my square root, so I get 368 divided by 541, and this is going to be 1 minus 368 divided by 541 plus, ouch, I don't have enough room, 351 divided by 593 times 1 minus 351 divided by 593. All right, so I forgot to put the denominators in, so I'm changing colors. So this is divided by 541, and this is divided by 593. Shame on me. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to confidence intervals. I'm going to find it on my calculator. And so I have 368, and then I have 541, and then I have 351 divided by 593, and this is a 92% confidence interval. And my interval is going to be 0.0385 to 0.1381. All right, so I'm gonna, we don't have a word problem, so I can't write a conclusion, right? So that is my answer. Now here they just want me to write the standard error for a 96% confidence interval. Okay. I think I probably meant margin of error, because margin of error is equal to the z star times standard error. So that's what I'm going to do. So if my confidence interval is 96, then alpha is 0.04. So I'm going to go to distributions and put in 0.02, and I get 2.05. So I'm going to get 2.05. I've got to write this number again down. 368 divided by 541. 1 minus 368 divided by 541 divided by 541. Put a 1 there, plus 351 divided by 593, and 1 minus 351 divided by 593 divided by 593. Okay, that's the margin of error. All right. So here is a table. This is how sometimes it will be in reality. Okay, so do you see that they asked about better? So I circled the better, and I found the proportions off to the side. All right, so since the C guy is the highest, so I'm going to start with him first. So that is going to be 22 over 37 minus 11 divided by 34 plus or minus. Hopefully you know that 95% is 1.96. Okay, so now let's go do this. So this is going to be 22 over 37. And what's that, 15 between the two of them? 37, oops, silly goose, divided by 37, plus, and this is going to be 11 over 34, and this is going to be 23 over 34, all over 34. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my graphing calculator, and I'm going to put in 22 divided by 37, and then 11, 34, and it's going to be 95, and calculate, and I get 0.0480 to 0.4941. Okay. So we are 95% confident that let me read this and then get back to that the difference of patients with Crohn's disease I didn't spell disease correct, I'm sorry. Who got better, that's their words, with CYCLOSPORINE. Okay, so I'm going to erase all this up here, okay? And I'm going to change colors just so I don't confuse anybody. Is 4.8% to 49.41% more than those who were given a placebo. I think that drug works. All right.